Hi everybody and welcome to the Lunch Break Gardener. So I bought a pack of peppers from Aldi. They are California Wonder from the Netherlands, and I decided to chop them up, take the seeds out, pop them in a plastic container and pop them in the fridge for 15 days. So when they came out, they were nice and crispy and ready for sowing in pods. So I put a number of seeds in each pod, and then I covered them over with soil, labelled them and gave them a water. I then did the same with a control set of pepper seeds, purpose bought for sowing and growing. I put a number of seeds in each pod, I covered them with soil, labelled them and watered them, and placed both sets of seeds on a sunny windowsill. After 13 days of being in the greenhouse, both pods had seedlings growing through, which I was particularly pleased about. The shop bought ones were showing through, and so were the purpose bought seeds. I watered them with the water from my watering butt, which has gone a slightly strange colour, and popped them back on the windowsill. I left them there for a further 8 days until I decided they needed potting on because they were overcrowded. So I took all the shop bought ones out first and potted them on in 3-inch pots, 4 per pot. I then labelled them SB pepper for shop bought pepper and popped the date on each of the pots. I then gave them a good watering. I followed up by doing exactly the same with my control group of seeds from Country Value. I labelled them CV pepper and dated them the 27th of June. I put both groups of peppers in a container, the shop bought peppers to the right and the control group to the left. As you can see, there are far more shop bought peppers which have come through than the control group. 12 days later, on the 9th of July, both sets are still looking really good. To keep this a fair competition, I'm going to take 11 plants from the control group and 11 of the shop bought peppers and plant both sets in the greenhouse. I put the shop bought peppers in first and use the opportunity to have a good look at the roots. I take a bamboo stick and use it as a dividing line between my shop bought peppers and my control group. Again, I look at the root system for comparison and plant out the rest of that group. I water both sets in, and I'll water them daily for the next couple of weeks, giving them a tomato plant feed in about a week's time. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that and you'll stay tuned for further updates. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.